Everyone, good morning to all my friends and my subscriber. Today, I will give you information about my favorite chapter, cars and its history. This video will be in English language. So if you don't understand anything about my video, please inform me in comment section so I can answer you. So now let's move to our
Start.
video.
Who invented the first car? There were two German engineers, Karl Benz and Gottlieb Daimler. Both built working cars in 1885. Each car had a small gasoline engine to drive. You know that the very first car has gasoline engine. So now let's
Talk
move
about which was the first car to be sold. The first car to be sold was three-wheel model built by Carl Benz. The first owner was a French engineer called Emile Roger, who bought his car in 1887. Soon Benz had a factory building cars for sale, but only few of the three-wheelers were sold. Now move ahead with our new heard the name of Bugatti, and today we will talk about his amazing fact. The Bugatti Type 41 Royal was designed by Ettore Bugatti to be the most luxurious car ever. His ideas was that every royal family in Europe would buy one. The car was 7 years long, but only 6 Royals were ever built. You listen that only 6 Bugatti Royal were ever made, and 3 were sold. Only there were 6 and 3 were only sold. If a Bugatti Royal ever appears at auction, it fetches a millions of dollars. In the nowadays, this type car, Bugatti Royal, if you see in an ever auction, it will fetch a millions of dollars. Now move ahead.
We will talk about Bentley Boys. Bentley Boys was the nickname of group drivers who raced Bentley cars in 1920s and early 1930s. Dark green Bentley entered all the major races of the time, such as endurance race at Le Mans. See the picture along. The car is dark green and number 86. These were the five. There were the famous number, and these were the drivers of the Bentleys. So move ahead.
Who used to fast car to get away? There were many gangs of criminals called gangsters in American cities in 1930s. They used high performance cars such as Ford V8 to speed off after the robbing bank or shooting a rival gangster. This car is V16 Cadillac. It was built in 1930 and it is so fast as we can think. It is so much fast. Now we will move to our next video. Our next presentation. Bird can fly, aeroplane can fly, but we had never heard that car could fly.
Now this is the car that could fly. In 1949, American inventor Walt Taylor built a car which could be turned into an aeroplane. By 1953, the car had flown over 25,000 miles on the ground. The aero car towed its tail and winged it in a trailer. Now you will see this car as you want to see. This car can really fly. This was the first car that can really fly. Now our next sports car is still handmade. Morgan sports car are still hand built at their factory in Malvern, England. Although they look like old-fashioned, they can compete with any modern sports car. You heard that? Any modern sports car. This is a good about this thing, and this is the best car that ever handmade. And so we our next presentation we further to
We
go
heard
over
about flying car. Now we will see about car that swims. In 1962, Amphicar was the part car or part boat. It had two propellers at the back and a front wheel steered it like a rudder. The large tail fins stopped water from flooding the engine. You see that Amphicar. It is known as also Amphicar. Now we will next move to our next presentation. Which supercar had 6 wheels? The wedge-shaped Panther 6 was designed by Bob Jankel in 1977. It was 16 feet long and over 6 feet wide. Both pair of front wheels steered the car, which was never sold to the public. See, this six-wheel car, but never sold to public. This is dangerous car for us. We will now see our next
Slide.
presentation.
Which car can shorten itself? The Renault Zoom is a tiny car which can get shorter by folding its rear wheels up. This makes it easier to park in small parking spaces. The Zoom also had a green electric motor which is powered by rechargeable batteries. So I inform you that if you are new in my channel, so please subscribe, like and share my video as you can possible.